Hello everyone, this is Hannah. To welcome to my third project in this AI product management visualization. Um, it shows a recommendation system on the e-commerce platform as my project. The goal as a leader in e-commerce industry, I would like to recommend products that my users most likely to buy when they log in my website or app. Here's the task analysis. The problem here is as e-commerce company leaders, I would like to have a recommendation system in place so that I can recommend what my consumers, my customers most likely to buy. Mm, The key task here is to recommend products based on users' information and the product's information as well. The users here are e-commerce shoppers. And the interface would be my website and my app. The trigger here would be the users thinks of shopping online and they log in to our website or application. Here's my user experience design. The user will interact with my solution by logging into the website or app, and the user inputs will include personal information that they provided when they create an account with me, and the purchasing and searching history data. Feedback loops here can be the user's responses to the recommended products. For example, if they clicked on the products, if they did further actions like put them in the shopping cart or finally purchased them. Um, Transparency on this model can be achieved by being transparent to all the users, let them know what information from them will be collected and how they will be used. Communicating uncertainty can be achieved by providing model output metrics and the confidence levels to the stakeholders. In this case, would be um, the leaders in this company, in this e-commerce company. Privacy considerations related here are the user PII, because we're asking users to create an account with us. We are likely to collect their names, their address, their phone numbers, emails, etc., etc. And we also store the users' shopping behaviors as well. In this case, then the FIPS law would apply because we're collecting users' personal informations. Um, Here's the ethical considerations. There are many possible bias that can rise from this model. Think of a there can be historical bias because we are collecting users' information, but we cannot fully understand what's going on in users' life. Um, just for example, if a user was shopping for his, his or her friend, um, if we use that as a training data set, we might bias our result next time when the user logged in. Um,
The feedback loop bias here is another concern which arise from um, the product ratings. So because the more ratings the product has, the higher ranking it is. And because of the higher ranking of the product, the more likely it will show up on top of the recommendation system, and there will be more more sales on that product. Um, Ethical AIs here can uh, be achieved by focusing on fairness, accountability, and transparency here to make sure we have a fair AI product. We want to make sure and double check our recommendation system's performance and, and see if it's consistent recommendations across different groups. We're not having any um, bias in any of the groups. Um, Accountability can be achieved by holding people accountable, like making sure who is accountable for the performance, and also making sure we understand what kind of law or industry regulations should be the product held accountable by. And we also want to make sure we let the users understand what kind of resources they have and what can they do in certain cases. Being transparency is another key aspect in the ethical AI product. And to do this, we want to communicate clearly to users how their data would be collected and used, and also keep the stakeholders in the loop such that they understand our model's performance and any potential uncertainty. That's it. Thank you.